My family and I are safe. Sowere breaks silence as earthquake hits New Jersey. 4.8 magnitude earthquake hits North Plainfield, New Jersey. Report has it that it was felt throughout New York as well. In a statement by the New York Governor, Kathy Hochul, it reads, "A 4.8 magnitude earthquake hit west of Manhattan and has been felt throughout New York. My team is assessing impacts and any damage that may have occurred, and we will update the public throughout the day." Reacting to the earthquake, Sowere, who now resides in New Jersey, stated, "I was in a 4.8 magnitude earthquake that just ripped through my area in New Jersey. My family and I are safe." More details coming. Always stay tuned at Secular Advocacy TV, where we shall always bring to you undiluted headlines.